Why do we sneeze? Well, it's simple. People sneeze for many reasons, including being sick, trying to clear out pathogens that had managed to go deep into the lungs, and even a way to get rid of irritants. So right now, at this time, let's talk about sneezing. Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of unwelcome particles from your nasal passages, just like a cough is your body's way of getting rid of unwelcome particles from your throat and lungs. According to scientists and research, it's estimated that just a single sneeze expels about 100,000 germs.